Question 1. The number of moles of solute present in 500 ml of a 2M solution is ACE 1, B 0.5, C 2, D 0.25. The correct answer is ACE 1. Question 2. The unit of rate constant for a first-order reaction is A. Mol L superscript 1 S superscript 1, B. S superscript 1, C. L mol superscript 1 S superscript 1, D. Mol superscript 2 L superscript 2 S superscript 1. The correct answer is B. S superscript 1. Question 3. Which of the following is an extensive property? A. Density, B. Viscosity, C. Surface tension, D. Volume. The correct answer is D. Volume. Question 4. The vapor pressure of a solution containing a non-volatile solute is A. Greater than solvent, B. Equal to solvent, C. Less than solvent, D. Independent of solvent. The correct answer is C. Less than solvent. Question 5. Which law relates partial pressure of a gas to its mole fraction? A. Boyle's law, B. Charles' law, C. Raoult's law, D. Dalton's law. The correct answer is D. Dalton's law. Question 6. The shape of SF molecule is A. Tetrahedral, B. Trigonal bipyramidal, C. Octahedral, D. Square planar. The correct answer is C. Octahedral. Question 7. The hybridization of carbon in ethine is A. sp superscript 3, B. sp superscript 2, C. sp, D. dsp superscript 2. The correct answer is C. sp. Question 8. Which of the following has the highest lattice energy? A. NaCl, B. KCl, C. CaCl, D. LeCl. The correct answer is D. LeCl. Question 9. The oxidation number of chromium in KCrO is A plus 3, B plus 6, C plus 7, D plus 2. The correct answer is B plus 6. Question 10. Which of the following is a strong electrolyte? A. Acetic acid, B. Ammonium hydroxide, C. Sodium chloride, D. Glucose. The correct answer is C. Sodium chloride. Question 11. The pH of a 10 superscript 3M HCl solution is ACE 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. The correct answer is C 3. Question 12. The conjugate acid of NH is A. NH, B. NH, C. NH, D. NHO. The correct answer is B. NH. Question 13. Which of the following is not a colligative property? A. Osmotic pressure. B. Elevation in boiling point. C. Depression in freezing point. D. Viscosity. The correct answer is D. Viscosity. Question 14. The coordination number of central metal ion in FeCN is A4, B5, C6, D2. The correct answer is C6. Question 15. The IUPAC name of CoNHCl is A. Hexamin cobalt 3 chloride. B. Hexamin cobalt 2 chloride. C. Triamine cobalt 3 chloride. D. Cobalt hexamin trichloride. The correct answer is A. Hexamin cobalt 3 chloride. Question 16. Which of the following exhibits geometrical isomerism? A. CH, B. CH, C. CH, D. CH. The correct answer is C. CH. Question 17. The order of reactivity of alkyl halides towards SN1 reaction is A. Primary, secondary, tertiary. B. Tertiary, secondary, primary. C. Secondary, primary, tertiary. D. Primary, tertiary, secondary. The correct answer is B. Tertiary, secondary, primary. Question 18. Which reagent is used to distinguish aldehyde from ketone? A. Fehling's solution. B. Benedict's solution. C. Toland's reagent. D. Schiff's reagent. The correct answer is C. Toland's reagent. Question 19. The functional group present in glucose is A. Ketone. B. Carboxylic acid. C. Aldehyde. D. Ester. The correct answer is C. Aldehyde. Question 20. Which vitamin is water soluble? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin E, D. Vitamin C. The correct answer is D. Vitamin C. Question 21. The monomer of nylon 6 is A. Adipic acid. B. Hexamethyllenediamine. C. Caprolactam. D. Ethylene glycol. The correct answer is C. Caprolactam. Question 22. Which of the following is a biodegradable polymer? A. PVC. B. Teflon. C. PHBV. D. Polythene. The correct answer is C. PHBV. Question 23. The gas released when zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid is A. O. B. H. C. Cl. D. CO. The correct answer is B. H. Question 24. Which of the following ores is concentrated by froth flotation? A. Bauxite. B. Hematite. C. Galena. D. Calamine. The correct answer is C. Galena. Question 25. The role of cryolite in the extraction of aluminium is to A. Act as a catalyst. B. Lower melting point. C. Prevent oxidation. D. Increase conductivity only. The correct answer is B. Lower melting point. Question 26. Which of the following is a reducing agent? A. KMNO. B. KCRO. C. SO. D. O. The correct answer is C. SO. Question 27. The geometry of XCF molecule is A. Tetrahedral. B. Square planar. C. Trigonal bipyramidal. D. Octahedral. The correct answer is B. Square planar. Question 28. Which element shows maximum catenation? A. Silicon. B. Carbon. C. Sulfur. D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is B. Carbon. Question 29. The correct order of acidic strength is A. Phenol, ethanol, water. B. Water, phenol, ethanol. C. Phenol, water, ethanol. D. Ethanol, water, phenol. The correct answer is C. Phenol, water, ethanol. Question 30. Which of the following is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction? A. Hydrogenation of ethene. B. Chlorination of methane. C. Hydrolysis of alkyl halide. D. Dehydration of alcohol. The correct answer is C. Hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Question 31. The reagent used for dehydration of alcohols is A. Dilute HCl. B. Concentrated HSO. C. NaOH. D. KMNO. The correct answer is B. Concentrated HSO. Question 32. Which compound gives iodoform test? A. Methanol. B. Ethanol. C. Formic acid. D. Acetic acid. The correct answer is B. Ethanol. Question 33. The basic unit of proteins is A. Fatty acids. B. Sugars. C. Amino acids. D. Nucleotides. The correct answer is C. Amino acids. Question 34. Which hormone regulates blood glucose level? A. Thyroxine. B. Insulin. C. Adrenaline. D. Estrogen. The correct answer is B. Insulin. Question 35. Which of the following is not a green chemistry principle? A. Prevent waste. B. Use renewable feedstock. C. Increase reaction time. D. Design safer chemicals. The correct answer is C. Increase reaction time. Question 36. The oxidation state of nitrogen in NH is A plus 3, B 3, C plus 5, D 0. The correct answer is B 3. Question 37. Which of the following shows paramagnetism? A N, B O, C F, D on A. The correct answer is B O. Question 38. The rate of reaction generally increases with increase in temperature because A. Collision frequency decreases, B. Activation energy increases, C. More molecules have energy greater than or equal to E, D. Molecules move slower. The correct answer is C. More molecules have energy greater than or equal to E. Question 39. The relation between Kp and Kc is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 40. Which of the following is an example of coordination compound used in medicine? A. Cisplatin, B. EDTA, C. Ferrocene, D. Zeolite. The correct answer is A. Cisplatin. Question 41. The denticity of EDTA is A2, B4, C6, D8. The correct answer is C6. Question 42. Which of the following halogens has the highest electronegativity? A. Cl, B, Brc, I, D, F. The correct answer is D, F. Question 43. The strongest oxidizing agent among halogens is A, F, B, Cl, C, Br, D, I. The correct answer is A, F. Question 44. Which compound shows tautomerism? A. Acetaldehyde, B. Acetic acid, C. Phenol, D. Ethanol. The correct answer is A. Acetaldehyde. Question 45. The major product formed when propene reacts with HBr in presence of peroxide is A. 1-bromopropane, B. 2-bromopropane, C. 1,2-dibromopropane, D. 2,3-dibromopropane. The correct answer is A. 1-bromopropane. Question 46. Which factor does not affect the rate of a chemical reaction? A. Temperature, B. Catalyst, C. Concentration, D. Enthalpy change. The correct answer is D. Enthalpy change. Question 47. The correct increasing order of boiling points is A. Alkane, alkene, alkyne, B. Alkyne, alkene, alkane, C. Alkene, alkene, alkyne, D. Alkane, alkyne, alkene. The correct answer is A. Alkene, alkene, alkyne. Question 48. Which of the following is a non-reducing sugar? A. Glucose. B. Fructose. C. Sucrose. D. Lactose. The correct answer is C. Sucrose. Question 49. The main constituent of natural gas is A. Ethane. B. Propane. C. Butane. D. Methane. The correct answer is D. Methane. Question 50. The oxidation number of sulfur in HSO is A plus 4, B plus 6, C plus 2, D 0. The correct answer is B plus 6. Question 51. Which of the following is a transition element? A. Zn, B, Cd, C, Hg, D, Fe. The correct answer is D. Fe. Question 52. The compound responsible for hardness of water is A. NaCl, B. CaSO, C. NaCO, D. KCl. The correct answer is B. CaSO.